Good afternoon, it's Marcus Francis back with the weather forecast. So let's take a look at your weather forecast specifically for Madisonville, Tennessee and the west of East Tennessee as well. It's currently 72 degrees under sunny to partly cloudy conditions and fair. The wind is calm at 0 miles per hour. The dew point is 55 degrees and it feels like 72 degrees, similar to the actual air temperature. The sun rose this morning at 7:02 a.m. and the sun will set at 6:36 p.m. Then it's go overnight. We do expect it to be a few clouds, a low of 153. The winds will become light and variable, owing to a 10% chance of precipitation. Winds will be from the south at 3 miles per hour. The moon phase will be a winding crescent. We'll now take a look at your satellite and radar composite. Let's look at the satellite and radar composite specifically for East Tennessee. We are noticing a few specks of very, very light sprinkles and a stray shower or two along portions of Blunt and Sevier counties. Otherwise, most of us do remain dry under sunny to partly cloudy conditions in the viewing area into the Tennessee River Valley. Then we're now taking a look at your eight-day forecast. For tomorrow, we're expected to be a 60% chance of a PM scattered to spotty to scattered rain showers under cloudy conditions. High will be around 70 and lows will be in the mid-50s to around 55 degrees. Then for your Wednesday, we're expected to be a 40% chance of scattered rain showers under cloudy conditions. High in the mid-60s to around 64 degrees and low around 50 degrees. And then for your Thursday, we're expected to be a 10% chance of precipitation, otherwise sunny, partly cloudy. High 66, low 51. Then for your Friday, we're expected to be a 60% chance of it to be being overcast and on and off rainfall. High 64, low 54. Then for your Saturday, it's expected to be a 40% chance of scattered rain showers under cloudy conditions. Highs in the mid 60s, around 64 degrees, and a low of around 40. And this will be a reminder, Saturday night into Sunday morning, to set your clocks back. So I've set your clocks forward 1 hour as we spring forward, as we negatively lose an hour of sleep, but gain an hour of sunshine and gain an hour of daylight as well. So remember to set your clocks forward 1 hour before you lay your head down. Then for your Sunday, we're expected to be a 20% chance of a morning isolated rain shower, otherwise sunny, partly cloudy. High 54, low 34. As we took a slight cooling trend. Then for your Monday, we're expected to be sunny and clear with intervals of clouds. Highs over 50 to around 58 degrees, and lows in the mid-30s to around 37 degrees. Then for your Tuesday, we'd expect it to be sunny and clear with abundant sunshine, as it's going to be an absolutely beautiful day on that day, with the highs and lows in the low 60s to around 63 degrees. That'll do it for your last weather forecast. I'm your future meteorologist, Marcus Francis. So have a rest of your afternoon. You have a good rest of your day. And God bless. Thank you for watching. If you see this video, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.